What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the process. Alright, so it's been a while. I want to give you guys a little update on what's going on with the raffle. I got my truck here at the house. I'm getting ready to do a little bit of maintenance on it. Doing a little inspection because I haven't drove it in so long. But I want to give you guys some information on what's up with the raffle. Today is February 1st. I don't really have much to say, but I want to thank everybody who entered my raffle for the chance to win my truck and my trailer to start out with the car hauling business. Unfortunately, I was not able to sell as many tickets as I needed to. Let me set my camera up here. I don't have my stand today. So I couldn't sell enough tickets. I did extend the raffle for a month, for 4 extra weeks, to give folks a chance that was asking me to enter after the holidays, after Christmas, because their money was kind of tight. And that still didn't work out. I got maybe 15 extra people to enter my raffle. Again, I'm grateful for that. I understand what's going on, but for me, I got too much invested to raffle my truck for what I made off the raffle thus far. So what I'm going to start doing is start the refund process. I'm a man of my word, like I was saying. If I didn't raise enough money, I was going to just go ahead and just refund everybody's money back. So I'm already trying to figure out how that even works with this raffle creator link. I got to go back through each payment. I got a video I will show you showing me going through that process from most recent entrants to people who entered through Cash App and through PayPal. I got to go through each name, each payment method, and start the refund process. Okay, so I'll show you that video. Okay, folks, so I'm on my computer now. I'm going through all the payments. I'm looking at all the people who was trying to enter my raffle. I had a lot of failed attempts, as you can see. I don't want to show anybody's information, but somebody was trying to get in December and January, and just whatever the payment method was, it wasn't being accepted. So people was trying to enter. It's just I didn't meet my goal. Didn't get enough tickets sold for me to go ahead and go through with the raffle. But I do appreciate everybody who did enter. I had 17 failed entrants, but I appreciate everybody who did take the chance to enter my raffle. I just couldn't meet the goal, and there wasn't enough money for me to go ahead and just raffle off my truck and my trailer. I can't afford to take that kind of a loss. I got a lot of money invested in my equipment, and I mean, I tried. So again, just bear with me. I'm trying to get everybody's money refunded back the way they entered the raffle. Some folks entered through PayPal, Cash App, and some went through the actual raffle creator link using their debit card or credit card. So your money will be refunded back to whatever your payment method was. I don't want to show nobody's information again, but it's saying it takes 7 to 10 business days for whatever banking system my raffle creator uses. And I'm just going back through the most recent entrants. So Robert, Ryu, however you pronounce that. I got Charles Williamson. I'm going back through the people who most recently entered and then refunded I'm gonna do a refund that way. So I will get to everybody. I will go back to my Cash App and PayPal next and start processing refunds that way too. So I'm gonna leave my email in my description of this video, so that way you guys can go there and send me an email if you need. If you got any questions about your refund or what's going on with the raffle, just send me an email. I got a lot of names to go through here. It's gonna take me a few days to get everything processed. I want to make sure I don't send anybody back money who is not supposed to get money, because again, I got a lot of failed attempts here, so I got to make sure I got all the names is matching up and get everybody cash back the appropriate way. So all right, that's that. Again, I just couldn't get enough people to enter. Kind of been these last 3 weeks kind of been rough for me. My birthday was in January, so I took a little time off to celebrate my birthday. I went to the great state of Florida and had a great time with some great weather. And when I came back to Detroit, Michigan, I brought something back with me, and I was sick for a good 2 weeks. So I'm just really starting to get back on my feet, just getting my breathing back, stuff like that. So it's been rough these last few weeks. But again, I just want to thank everybody. I want to keep this video somewhere short. Thank you for entering my raffle. Thank you for supporting my channel and my process. I guess it's kind of back to the drawing board for me. I do want to weigh other options as far as equipment, even as far as I got a few people that's been throwing me some information about other transportation business moves. Okay, so as far as like the splinter van, cargo freight transport, even trucking. I got some guys with semi trucks that's been talking to me a little bit. So again, that's back to the drawing board. Make sure you just stay tuned in with my channel with the process. I'm going to continue bringing content. A lot of folks be sending me direct messages to my Instagram, wanting to know how do you start out in the car hauling business. I mean, I haven't had a chance to really check all my comments on YouTube, but I get a lot of direct messages on my Instagram, and it's kind of hard for me to go through all of them. I want to help you guys out as much as I can, but just remember, Google is your friend, okay? If I can't offer you the information you need, you got to just take the time out to do your own research. It's not really that hard. Getting your DOT, getting your MC number. But I'm offering what I can offer. Remember to leave me comments on my YouTube. That's where I make my money at, not my direct message on my Instagram. I'll be honest with you guys. But again, I'm here to help however I can. So I'm going to show you the video just to give everybody some comfort that I will be refunding everybody's money back. I think I've seen something about it to be a 7 to 10 day process to refund the money back to whatever payment method you guys used. So be patient. My email address will be in my description of this video. You can send me an email. If you got any questions about your refund, please be patient. Give me some time. I got to go through each name. I got to make sure everything is set up appropriately, putting the money back where it needs to be, okay, to get the refund processed. So my email will be down below for any questions, and stay tuned in with me. So I'm going to show you this video, and that'll be that. So like I always say, make sure you guys continue to support the process. You can like this video as well. You can leave a comment, share it, all the YouTube stuff you already know. Let's get to it, baby.